The inspiration really came from my partnership with HBF. And I've worked with HBF now for about 10 years and designing the showroom spaces. And it really came about by taking a very vignette approach to the showrooms and realizing that there was a product that was missing in order to tell the whole HBF story. That was really the inspiration, was the partnership to begin with, and wanting to find a very quiet table that more sculptural pieces could play against. I was thinking of the name. I really wanted it to reflect the essence of its form. And Firma is actually short for terra firma. And terra firma means firm ground or solid earth. And that's kind of what I think this table does. All of these sculptural forms are able to play off this kind of very minimal horizon. And I love the metaphor of the idea of landscape, because landscapes are ever changing. The materiality changes, the mood changes, the color changes within a landscape. And to me, that really reflects really what Firma is. Within this expansion, what we've done is really looked at the ideal sizes that a designer would want to use within planning of a space. For instance, there was one console, but now we've expanded to multiple, and the multiple options allow for either a seated height, or there's a shorter console where you can actually back up 2 sofas back to back with this console in between. And then the communal tables themselves, there's multiple links that are at kind of 1-foot increments. With these multiple options, you're able to really find the right piece for your project. HBF's strength is really its materiality, and there's a wide range of finishes from very, very light woods to very dark woods. And the beauty of Firma is that you have that selection, but you also have the opportunity to add glass or solid surface. For a designer, it's kind of a designer's paradise because they're able to select something light, something dark, really play with it. So there's this beauty in being able to change the mood and the piece itself based upon finishes that are selected. Being able to use Juniper was a wonderful attribute to the project. It is a communal table, and being able to get light onto that surface and really highlight the materiality of it was super important to application, but also to the piece itself.
This is our thin shared task lamp. It is part of a larger collection of the thin system. It is a 1/2-inch brass light segment that is connected with these beautiful solid brass standoffs, hand polished, patinaed, very special way that these get made.
And when you turn that on, the light actually spreads onto the surface and really reflects the materiality of that top. And as well as being functional and getting light onto the surface to make it very user-centric.
Paired with that is the ground control, which is a series of power accessories and wire management that has USB-C, US plug.
To be able to specify a product that has an integrated fixture as part of it is a designer's dream. I've used HBF for many, many years, working with amazing designers, and to be able to design a product for HBF and to be in that family is very meaningful to me.